Hi, ever wanted to change your name or your child's name in the birth certificate? Whether it is for astrological, numerological, or personal reasons, this video will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. You will learn about the legal requirements, the necessary documents, and the step-by-step procedure to make the change official. The process explained in this video is almost common to all states. One more thing, you can watch my videos in Hindi and English language also. You may find links of application forms, affidavits, websites, etc. in the description as explained in this video. Hi friends, I am Srinivas Sharma, name change service expert. I have 15 years of experience and have provided my services to more than 10,000 clients all over India. They have changed their names or surnames or made corrections in birth certificates. We have 5-star Google ratings for our services. A name change in India may appear to be a time-consuming process because most of your official documents may already have been issued. So, however, it is worthwhile at some point in time when you feel the need to change your name or the names of your children. This is because your sense of identity should outweigh the hassle of the process while applying through online or offline birth certificate correction for name change or name corrections. Of all the certificates, the birth certificate holds significant importance. Birth certificate contains the following details. Number 1, the name of person. Number 2, mother's name. Number 3, father's name. 4th, gender. 5th is date of birth. 6th is time of birth. Then registration number and date of issue. A legally valid birth certificate is one that is issued by the Registrar of Birth and Deaths, who is state level authority. Anybody in India above the age of 18 has the right to change their name by following the right legal procedure. However, for those whose age is below 18 years, that is minors, parents can process the name change or name correct in birth certificates. First, every state differs slightly with respect to the procedure of changing the information on a birth certificate. So pay close attention to the guidelines provided by the state government office of your state. Second thing, there is a mandatory fees that you should pay at the time of submitting the application depending on the state rules. However, the fees is very nominal. Third thing is, keep a copy of all documents produced, published and obtained. It may be requested at any time. Number 4, obtain a copy of the newly modified birth certificate from the Registrar of Births and Deaths. There is a nominal pay which you should pay for every copy you wish to obtain. That means if you want multiple copies, you have to pay more money. Now I will explain you the process of online name correction in birth certificate. This is the general process. Step 1, visit the website of Registrar of Birth and Deaths of your state. Number 2, log in with birth registration number. Number 3, make necessary changes in the name and fill in other details in the form. Number 4, upload the necessary documents to prove that you are an authorized person to apply for such changes in birth certificate. Number 5, pay name correction fees if any online. And then step number 6, keep checking about the change effect and then print your new birth certificate. For offline applications, first is prepare an affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper. Second, fill in the application form for name correction in birth certificate. Number 3, if standard form is not available in your state, then write an application on a white paper giving all your details, that is old name, new name, and your address and father name, and a brief statement of the reasons for seeking a name change in birth certificate. Number 4, support your application form with your ID and address proof. Number 5, visit the office of registrar of birth and death, that is from where you got your birth certificate issued. Some states allow correction of names in birth certificate multiple times, whereas of others may don't allow at all. So check with your concerned state whether name change or name correction in birth certificate is allowed or not. In general, only minor spelling mistakes or changes are allowed. Another option for change or correction of name is filing an application with the local court. The process varies by jurisdiction. However, the general steps are as follows. Number 1, file a petition for a name change. This is a court document that states your reasons for wanting to change your name. You can usually find a petition for a name change at your local court house or online. Number 2, pay the filing fees. The filing fees for a name change petition varies by jurisdiction, so find out that. Number 3, have your petition served on any interested parties. This may include your spouse, your creditors, or anyone else who has a legal interest in your name or your child's name. 4, attend a name change hearing. This is a hearing in which the court will review your petition and make a decision about whether to grant you name change or not. One more easy way is to publish name change or name correction in a weekly Gazette of Government of India, which is published from New Delhi. Though the steps for making Gazette I am going to explain you is the step number one, preparation of an affidavit. This first step is to prepare an affidavit. This is a legal document that states your old name, new name, address, and signature. You can either prepare the affidavit yourself or get it prepared by a lawyer. The affidavit must be notarized and on a non-judicial stamp paper of value ₹10 or more. The value of stamp paper may vary from state to state, but generally it is ₹10 only. If you want to know more details about what is affidavit and how to prepare it, watch my video. I have given the link in the description below. Step number 2 is newspaper advertisement. You need to publish a newspaper advertisement notifying the public of your or your child's name change in birth certificate. The advertisement must include old name and new name, father or husband name, and address. You can publish the advertisement in any one national newspaper. The text of the advertisement must be in English, and the advertisement should be published in a national newspaper, which means a newspaper which is either printed in Hindi or in English language and have multiple editions. Please note that regional language newspapers like Telugu, Bangla, Marathi, Gujarati are not valid. Only English or Hindi newspapers. Step number 3, pay the Gazette fees. You will then need to pay the Gazette fees online. You can do this by visiting the website of the department, that is bharatpost.nic.in, and before paying the money, find the what is the fee structure for such changes and publication in the Gazette. Then step number 4, submit your application. The final step is submission of application form to the controller of publication, who is the authority for publication of Gazette. There are 2 ways to submit your application. Number 1, go personally to the office and submit it, and number 2, by post or courier. It is not mandatory for you to go and submit your application there, so you can send it by courier also. If sending by post or courier, then you are required to only send the Xerox copies of your ID proof and address proof. But if you are going personally, then carry the original ID proof and address proof. The process time for Gazette publication is about 4 weeks time. However, sometimes due to more number of applications or government holidays, the process may take some more time. That is, it may take 4 to 6 weeks time. The job of publishing Gazette looks very easy, but it is always advisable to seek the assistance of a professional service provider who can guide you through the entire process. Now, our process, we can help you with every step of the name change or name correction process. We offer the following services. Number one, drafting your affidavit. Number two, preparation of application forms. Number three, CD, which needs to be submitted to the department. Number four, we will release newspaper advertisement on your behalf. Number five, we will pay Gazette fees online on your behalf. At every stage, our WhatsApp messages and our customized videos support in Hindi, English and Telugu language will be provided to you. You get a complete guidance until publication of the Gazette is done. We will help you with everything you need to change or correct your name in birth certificate legally in India. That is, from drafting the affidavit to publishing the notification in the government Gazette. At everything in duration this time we will provide you. If you need to have a help for changing or correcting your name or your child's name in birth certificate, please call us or send up a WhatsApp message. My number is given in the video's description down below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also click on the bell icon, because whenever I will update a new video, you will get a notification. And apart from this, if you have any questions related to this subject, don't hesitate to write your questions in the comments below in this video, and I will try my level best to answer you every question in this regard in time. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.